Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to create talking AI avatars for videos, presentations, or social media, but without being on camera, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to generate AI speaking avatars in 2025, step by step, using the latest tools. Whether you're a content creator, educator, business owner, or just curious, this guide is for you. Let's dive in. Choose a niche. Before you create anything, you need a solid niche. Faceless channels work best in certain categories like motivational content, top 10s, tech news documentaries, meditation and sleep sounds, finance explainer videos, on-screen tip. Pick a niche that has high demand plus low competition. You can use tools like Google Trends, TubeBuddy, or VidIQ to find out what people are searching for. Script writing with AI. Now that you've got a niche, it's time to generate your script. No need to write it yourself. Use AI tools like ChatGPT for storytelling, top 10 lists, and explainer scripts, Jasper or Copy.ai for more polished content, or even YouTube transcript search to get inspiration from trending videos on-screen demo. Showing a prompt in ChatGPT like, write a 2-minute script on top 5 productivity apps in 2025. A voiceover. Next up, voiceovers. You don't need to record anything yourself. Here are some amazing AI voice generators. 11 Labs, ultra-realistic and customizable voices. Murph.ai, great for professional voiceovers. Play.ht, high-quality narration with multiple accents. On-screen comparison, play 2 to 3 short voice samples to show quality. Choose a voice that matches your brand, calm and soothing or energetic and engaging. Video creation with AI. Now let's turn your script into a video. You have 2 main options. 1. Text-to-video platforms, Pictory.ai. Converts your script to video with stock footage. In video, great for YouTube automation, Synthesia.io. If you want an AI avatar instead of just voice too. Manual editing using stock footage. Download royalty-free clips from Pexels, Pixabay, or Storyblocks Edit with tools like CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or Adobe Premiere. Pro use short, punchy clips, 3 to 5 seconds, to keep the visuals engaging. Add motion graphics or subtitles for extra flair. Thumbnails and titles. Your thumbnail and title decide whether people click or scroll. Use AI tools like Canva plus Magic Design for easy, attractive thumbnails. Thumbnail.ai for A/B testing ideas. ChatGPT or Headline Studio to generate high CTR titles. Use bold text, close-up images, and bright contrast to stand out on the YouTube homepage. Tips for success. Some final tips. Be consistent. Upload at least 1 to 2 videos per week. Study your analytics to improve click-through rate and retention. Test different formats and topics to see what works best. Stay ethical. Don't copy content. Always add value. That's it. You now have everything you need to build an AI-powered faceless YouTube channel from scratch. Like, subscribe and comment AI channel if you're ready to start. Let me know in the comments what niche you're targeting. I'll see you in the next one.